Hey everyone, I want to show you a piece of gear that I use almost every time I fly. It's called a landing pad. Now you might think, why do you even need a landing pad? Don't you just put your drone on the ground? Yeah, you do. But there are times when the ground isn't all that great for my drone. It's wet, there's long grass, there's dirt, and I just don't want to take my drone off in those kind of conditions. That's where a landing pad comes in. This thing weighs next to nothing. It folds up very small, as you can see, slips right into my bag. To use it, you just take it out of the bag, hold on to one side of it, and let go. Pops right open, it's got a spring inside there, a piece of metal. You just strategically place it on the ground anywhere you want, and you are ready to fly. Now, a question a lot of people have is, well, how do you get it back in the bag? You would think you would just take and fold it up, but no, it's not that easy. It's not really hard. There's a little trick to it. It's simply this. Hold it on opposite sides and take one hand and spin it away from you. Take the other hand, rotate it towards you, and it folds right back up into its original shape. Slip it back in the bag, and you're all set.